Today we're headed to Costco and I'm gonna pick up some organic food. So if you are looking for organic on a budget or just some good organic finds, then stick around. If anybody who drives a Prius knows how to shut this beeping sound off that turns on when you're in reverse, please let me know, because it's super annoying. It's like a dump truck backing up. I got junk in my trunk. Okay, are we ready? So I think this is something new. I haven't seen it before, and there was a guy with a display of these. So I'm gonna give them a try. I'm not getting this, but if you like chocolate, this stuff is really good too. What is it? Hold on, I'll be right there. What are these? $6.99. What are you looking at, sweetheart? Oh. Oh my goodness. That looks tempting. Do you want those pineapples? When was the last time you had ramen? What?
Years ago.
The only ingredients are organic brown rice flour and organic millet flour. So I think you must add your own spices. So this is $3.99 and you get a whole bunch. So $5.69 for 4.5 ounces. Oregano, marjoram, thyme, basil, parsley. I think I would use this. So that's over a pound for $12.79. So that is $12.99. That's a pretty good. You get 5 Madagascar vanilla beans inside. It's you get 5 pounds for $7.59. You should get that. This is the coffee we get, or whatever organic coffee they have in stock at Costco at the time. But this has been in stock for a while lately. Okay, 4 pounds of organic strawberries for $9.99. Yay! Blueberries. This looks yummy. I haven't seen this before. Root vegetables, so I'm gonna give this a try. Looks so good. So these are 6 pounds. 6 pounds for $5.99. That's a great deal. Organic apples. So we have this at home. I'm not going to get any today, but it is 84 ounces for $11.69, which is really good. It's cold pressed and unrefined.
$177.32.
The Pellegrino sparkling water is not organic, but it is something that I do like to get because it's in glass bottles, and I love sparkling water because it helps me to stay hydrated, because plain water to me has not been appealing lately. There were other organic fruits and vegetables in the frozen section to choose from. There were other fresh fruit and vegetable options to choose from that were organic. and tons of other stuff. There was another coffee option too, but that was decaf, and we don't do decaf here. We have found that Costco has a wider selection of organic options than, say, Sam's Club does. We used to belong to Sam's Club. Every trip is a different experience. Sometimes you'll find things, and then the next time you'll go, you won't. Now, for a while, we found big bags of cauliflower rice. We did not see any cauliflower rice on this trip, but that is why we stock up. I'm glad I went to Costco today because I'm not usually the one that goes to Costco. It's usually my husband. And so to be able to see some of the things that I didn't see the last time I was there was kind of cool. So I got to try some new things this time. So that was our Costco haul today. It definitely varies throughout the year. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do that now. Before you forget, do that now. So I would love to hear what your favorite Costco finds are, or if there's another place where you tend to get good deals on organic produce or any other organic food.